Hi lovelies, you're welcome to today's tutorial. Our tutorial for today is a 4-in-1 turban cap. So if this is what you will love to learn, let's dive into it. So to start this design, on the screen are the materials. I'll be using a raw silk material. You can use any material of your choice, any stretchy material of your choice. You need your foam, your measuring tape, scissors, and your chalk. So here I made use of raw silk and I used 1 yard of raw silk. So here is the stretchy side. You fold the stretchy side into two and you measure the head circumference. The head circumference I'm working with is 23 inches. 23 divided by 2, 11.5 plus half inch sewing allowance. Then I'll be having a backdrop, so I added 2 extra inches. So here I have 14 inches. If you open it up, you'll be having 28 inches. While the length here I have 24 inches. So if you open it, you'll be having 28 at the stretchy side and 24 inches at the non-stretchy side. This is for the base. So the first thing we're going to do here is to create our band. We'll be creating our band from this base. So it's a pleated band. So you fold it, you fold the first step like this. And you fold it down this way. You can do this right on your sewing machine. You can just take it to your sewing machine straight and stitch it, but I'm just pinning it down for the sake of this tutorial. Then you stitch it down. After stitching that side, you turn to the right side and start creating your pleats. So you fold it and stitch it down. You fold another one and stitch, and you make sure each fold covers the stitch. So here is how we'll create our pleat that will be our band. So here is it. I have 5 pleats. 1 2 3 4 5. I have 5 pleats here. So if you want more than 5, you can just continue. So we set that side aside and you pick up your fabric again and cut 27 inches. The 27 inches are the stretchy side, then 27 by 6 inches. The 6 inches is the non-stretchy side. So you have 27 by 6 inches. Then you cut out your foam as well. So for this foam, I have 25 by 2 inches. I have 25 by 2 inches for the foam. This is a 1 inch foam. If you don't have a 1 inch, if you have half inch, you can just double it. You can just glue it together. But this is a 1 inch foam. So the next thing is our ruffle. You pick up your material again and cut out 12 inches. 70 by 12 inches. Sorry, please. You cut out 70 by 12 inches. Here you can see that I joined, so my material wasn't up to 70, so I have to join. I use 1 yard, so I joined 2 material together. So here I have 70 by 12 inches. So after joining it, you pick up this one and take it to a sewing machine. You stitch the head on the wrong side, and after stitching, you turn it to the right side. After turning it out, then the next thing is to insert your foam. So you insert your foam carefully. So after inserting the foam, this is what I have. So the next thing is to pick the long material, that is the 70 inches that I cut earlier. You pick it up, you fold the 2 edges together, and after folding the 2 edges together, you fold it upward again. That is, you want to slant the edge. so that the edge will not be so wide. So you just slant it down a bit, like maybe 2.5 or 3 inches. You just slant it down a bit. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please kindly give this video a thumbs up. It will really go a long way for this video to be pushed to those that want to learn. And kindly drop a comment and share this video. Feel free to share the video. So here I'm slanting the edge. So the essence of this slant you will know as the video, as we continue with this tutorial. So the next thing is to fold the edges, the two edges. You fold it inward like this. Then after that, you turn the material to the other side and stitch it down to the other edge. So after stitching it down, this is what I have. So the next thing is to turn this to the right side. If you don't want it wide like this, you can reduce your measurement. You can make it like 70 by 10 inches, but if you are okay with this size, you can still maintain this measurement. So here I've turned it to the other side. Then you pick the padded material, you fix it in. You fix it inside the long one that you just sew to make your ruffles. So here we have the design that is on top of the cap. So you just get a pin. So this is what I'm saying, this is the reason why we slant the edge. Even despite slanting it, it's still loose. So once you notice that it's loose, you can just take it to your sewing machine and stitch it again so that it will be a bit tight. So here is our base. The next thing we're going to do now is to mark out our head circumference. So like I said earlier, the head circumference I'm using is 23 inches. So 23 divided by 2 is 11.5 inches. So I will mark my 11.5 inches. So you mark it down because you want it to have a back draw. When you get down, you just extend your hand to the back like this. Then you come down again. So when you get to this down part, you slant it, you curve it a little just to give us the cap shape. Then you trim this out. Please mind you won't trim on your marking. You will leave like ½ inch allowance before trimming. You will not trim on that marking that you made. Or if you know that you cannot control the allowance, you can just stitch it first, then you cut out any excess that you have. So here I've slanted. So this is what I have. The next thing is to place my ruffle on it. So but before you place it, try to arrange the ruffle to make sure that the sewn part is at the back. And hold this down with a pin so that you won't mistakenly stitch on it while attaching it to the base. And after that, the next thing is to attach it to our base. You attach it to your base and follow your previous marking to stitch this all the way down. So after stitching this, what I have, if you still have any excess, you can still trim it out. You can cover the edges with bias, and you can also weave it. So the next thing is to make a running stitch right immediately after the band, not from the beginning. You start your running stitch under the band. So after making your running stitch, you can pass the needle like 2 to 3 times so as to secure this thread very well. Then after that, you secure your thread, and with this we are done with our cap. So if you're interested in joining our WhatsApp community, you can check the description box for the group link, and you can also send me a DM to add it to the group. The WhatsApp group is free. You can ask any question, you can request for tutorial on any design. So thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.